Dakipay. Nagpupus na. Daw buli. Gamay-gamay nga hipon nakita ko. Basta kasi gakulay hipon na araw, mga araw, hipon araw, sagad sagsanag mo tayo, araw. Kasi gana, basta kulay violet, kulay violet, inang gapula. So guys, mga vlog yan, mga vlog. We're live today video. But we don't have enough gold for today's video. Langsa na ako nga kamot. It's very ambers. Ano ka mo sharp?
What's that?
Where is the fish here? Butete. No enough. Nuriel, you're so very wet na. Basa na yung pants. Waterproof. Kaya gani. Tingala ko alat ang dagat. Sagod na gali na kaihi. Jordan, sa unahan pang may mga starfish. Sa isa kaya lang. We're saying to you it's very far away enough. You know that it's far and you stay in home. Wala pa man tadi hugasan say. Nyari ka talaga. Bumba, we need to go in Bumba far away. And have a drink. Nami pangbutang sa Nor. Wala na, nanago na. Sa aquarium, we need to pot air in the aquarium place. Ito, where? It's very small.
It's where?
When I see that, so I didn't find one, so it's where. Yo, di na one. Yes, of course. We have enough of plotting here. Kagaton ko tata ha. Kagaton ko ulit mo karon.
Kasi magbukas na yaman.
You know that it.
Sinabing na.
It's ari siya buhi siya ari Ari diri ari di tututo
Wala
na.
pangani.
Ara na nagtago siya ulit ngani ara ngani na kagat gani ko sa tong isa napilas gani.
Hindi makay wala ka nasang kagat. Mo ni ta ako pon.
Ano niyo na pagka sino makaon sini karon?
Baba. Wala mga mo sang panakot nga nagluto da. Wala mo luto.
May to? May lichihan dito ko nga nakita kanina. I find something lichihan there.
True.
And let's have a water here. It's very salty, so we have a taste. And of course, to the bitchin, it's a natural flavor of the seashore. That's the little explanation. Yun Wala no. No mo starfish mo di Jordan? La. Bata. Hoy, wag kayong ha.
Children.
don't harsh the children. It's damo
Oh, so many fish.
Where's your Mother Earth?
Oh shit.
Damo ya.
Tirumpok lang
Oh, damo-damo oh. Look, there's so many fish here. And I want to put there in the basket, but I don't have basket. Kaloy, hoy. Wait the other people here. Say, may nabaw po dito. It's very, very, don't. Huwag mo yung anuhin. Lapad ulo? No? Apa ba ina? Kalain na. Yan, dito ka kasi mag-walk and dinabawan. Ang boot wala man nila na ginako. Don't catch that. I think it's that a butiti one. Where? Hey Kinit,
What?
you want to eat kasag here?
Where?
Under the bottleneck. Small. It's child abuse, you know that?
Okay na yun niya. Di, paano di?
Kakaon kasi na, say?
Yeah. Ano sa akon? Gabi na gito.
It's hiding under the three river of the earth. Where?
Oh, shit.
Alat ako.
Buwa nga, we.
Why so many big fish here?
Where na yun, man? Gaganti ako.
Finding Dora? No, there's no Finding Dora.
Ano ka net? Yalo ka?
Alokan siya sa kamot. No, it's just a love kiss.
Tunay na lalaki. Net, yan tunay na lalaki.
That means the crab loves you.
Hindi, magpapatunay lang siya na lalaki.
True love's kiss? No, true love's bite. Jur, damo-damo na isda diri Georgia. Dito kanina, wala gid. Ako ya daw matumba dito sa Ari na ron namin fish pan. Under the fish here? Over there? Over where? Where?
Where?
Imagine, or the people under the earth.
Oh, shit.
It catches. Apugar ako dako.
Ako na ako. Sayang yan.
What are you being?
Yan. Ilagay.
Put here.
Wow, hindi na.
You kill that thing. So you should eat that.
Sayang na.
Pinatay mo na yun kasi. Maya gani, wala to nag-ulti. Umalis kayo sa aming lupain. Sorry. Say, say if you are not goodwill. Yeah. Yung hindi mo balaan yung pagod. Sorry, I'm not just enough. Yeah. So our vlog titled Finding Dora. So many menog here. It could be a venomous one or Yay, may madug. Yay. Why so many snake here? Yay. It's what what did you get? A snake one? Scary snake. Init pa atake ka. It's very big umang there. Umang here, umang there. Umang everywhere. Gipatay niya ya, makaon tana.
Baritos. Sobra yung pang ihaw.
Madamo-damo ko sa nakita kanina. Naglumpat-lumpat pa gid siya.
Dan ako ni Dan.
Yee, karadlok man ni
Dan. Kayo ni Dan. Kayo gani. Ay.
Ano na?
Sugba na namin ulit.
Sige, dalahin mo Noriel.
Naro.
You're is that tired? Balay ni Wonder Woman?
Balay ni ano?
Are you sure with that, Jordan? You know that we're having a grade 10 earlier there? Oh, it's very big. What is that? It's big.
Hugas na ako kamuta.
Wow.
Grabe.
Wow, it's yummy. It's very yummy. Uy, kakuha kami sa kakilo ng isda.
Bangkuka no?
Wow.
Basta makabuhi ni.
Hindi. Oh.
Tayo na. Dito ba na?
Kay the water is very weak. Paano na lang to gali ang duwa o nakasil ang boots? Late game na, Jordan. Late game na. Kita. Ano to? Odo damo man to sugao. Ibang bansa na daha. Duda mo sugaya. Okay lang na yan. Malay mo hindi nila pagkaon ng gadmay. Gadmay. Kinit, I didn't find anything else of sea hipon here. Tama ka gid Jord siling ko gid hindi kita matuyo Jord siling mo gid Libat. Basa na ka mo?